Okay, this is a Proboat UL1. I'm going to get rid of these screw-on latch holders and put 2 pairs of push-button locks on them. Just push and turn and they come out. So I need to fit the base of it in the place of the original ones of these. So take these out. Actually, I might do an easier one. Do this one. Okay. Just take this out. They use some pretty strong Loctite on their threads at Proboat, that's for sure. It was not going to fall out by itself. Okay. So this has to go in here. So we're going to enlarge it. Let's see what we got here. This is an 11. It's a bit small, but we'll use it as the pilot. Don't press hard. Don't think that'll go in there. Nope. We'll go up to 12. Yep. Okay. Get some Loctite happening. Now I'll probably have to play around with the height of these. You can see it's threaded all the way through, so I've got a fair way up at the moment, which is what I think it needs. So that's the base of it in. Now we don't want to drill the top hole the same size, or it'll just fall through the top of it. Let's hope this is about the right size for it. Looks like it might be a bit small. Okay, he's off. Okay. I need that thread there to fall into that hole. I can't go past the size of that nut there, so whatever that is what a hole needs to be. That's the one.